Hello students, today we will study some of the exercise sum that is of standard 10 chapter number 5 arithmetic progression. So in previous lecture we have studied how to find the nth term. So based on that formula let us study some more questions. What is the question number 8? Question number 8 is an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Okay, first of all we have given that there are total of 50 terms, right? So we know that the n means the last term is a 50, right? What we have given over that the third term is 12 and 15th term, it is not stated as a 15th term, but we have said that the last term means 15th term, 50th term, because there are total 50th term, right? So the 50th term is 106 and we have to find out the 29th term. So here to find out the 29th term, according to the formula, we do not have the value of a and d. So how to find out a and d? Okay, we will start with whatever we have given. We have given the third term. So now we will apply this formula for the third term. Then what will happen? We can write down a3 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is n? N minus 1. Here n is 3, right? N is 3. So what we will get? N minus 1 is equals to 2 into d. Now we do not have the a and d, but we have the value of a3. Put a3 is equals to 12. We will get 12 is equals to a plus 2d. Give it equation number 1. Now 50th term we also give the value of 50th term is 106. So again apply this formula for 50th term. So a50 is equals to a plus 49d, because n minus 1, 50 minus 1, 49. Now put the value of a50, that is 106. 106 is equals to a plus 49d. Give it equation number 2. Now we have two equations, first and second. Notice that there are two variables a and d and both are linear. So this will become a pair of linear equation. Now we can solve these equations by elimination method. So both equations, the coefficient of a is same. So we can directly subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. By doing this, this will remain as it is. This will also remain as it is, but the sign of this equation number 1 will be changed. So all these terms are positive. Now they will become the negative. Now what will happen? 106 minus 12, that is equals to 94, and a will cancel out. 49 minus 2d, that is equals to 47d. Now what will happen? If we divide 47 both the side, we will get the d is equals to 2. So the difference is, now we have to find the value of a. Let's put it in equation number 1. So this is equation number 1. 12 is there, a is there, 2 into d. What is d? d is 2. So 2 2s are 4. We will get 12 is equals to a plus 4. Taking this 4 to the left hand side, we will get the value of a is equals to 8, because 12 minus 4. So now we have the value of a and d both. Now using this formula, we can find out the value of a29. So apply this formula, we will get a29 is equals to a plus 28d, right? So a is 8 plus 28 and d is 2, so 28 2s are 56, and 56 plus 8 is equals to 64. So we get the value of a29 is equals to 64. So in this way, by making the two linear equation and solving them by elimination method, we can find out the value of any asked question, right? Okay. Okay, let us study question number 9. What is the question? The question is, if the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Right? We have to find out that in the given AP which term is equal to 0. The value of the term is equals to 0. And we have given that the third term of the AP is 4 and the ninth term of AP is minus 8. Now we have to find out the nth term. Let's suppose that that term is n which has the value is equals to 0. So now we have to find out this value of n. Right? We know the value of that term, but we have to find which term is this. It is a second term, third term, fifth term, seventh term, that we don't know. Then that we have to find out. Okay, we have the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So whatever we have given these two things, we will start from that. Okay, according to the fourth term formula, we can write down a3 is equals to a plus 2d. Yes, that you know now very well. Now a3 is equals to 4, 4 is equals to a plus 2d. Give it equation number 1. Now apply the same formula for the ninth term. We will get a9 is equals to a plus 8d. And the value of a9 is equals to minus 8. Minus 8 is equals to a plus 8d. Give it equation number 2. Right? Now we have two equations, two variables. We can solve this by elimination method. Okay. Subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. Then what will happen? This equation will remain as it is. A is equals to a plus 2d. And this will remains as it is. But the sign we have to change. So this term will be plus. A will be minus. And 8d will be minus. Now 4 plus 8 that is equals to 12. A and A will cancel out each other. 2d minus 8d that is equals to minus 6d. Now by taking this 6 to the left hand side, what will happen? We will get the value of d is equals to minus 2. Now to get the another variable value, we will put this in equation number 1. By putting the value of d here, we will get 4 is equals to a minus minus 4, because minus 2 into 2 that is equals to minus 4. So we will get 4 is equals to a minus 4. Taking this 4 to the left hand side, this will added with this 4, we will get a is equals to 8. Now we have both the values a and d. Okay, one thing we have given in the question that which term has the value is equals to 0. So we can write down an is equals to 0. We don't know the n, that is the number of the term. So apply this formula of an here, we will get a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equals to 0, because value we have given, that is equals to 0. Now put the value of a and d in this formula. A we can put as a 8, n we don't know, that we have to find out, and d is equals to minus 2. Now multiply this minus 2, we will get 8 as it is, minus 2 into n, that is minus 2n, minus minus plus 2, that is equals to 0. Now what will happen? 8 plus 2 is equals to 10, 10 minus 2n is equals to 0. Take the 10 to the right hand side, we will get 2n is equals to 10. And by dividing with 2, we will get the value of n is equals to 5. So this will we get as a number of the term which has the value is equals to 0. So we can say that in the given AP, the fifth term of the AP has a value equal to 0. Okay, so in this way, whatever we have given, we have to use that. From that we have to find out the value of a and d, and then we have to find out the value of this term. In this way we can also ask the another question that find out the term which has the value is equals to either minus 1 or 5 or minus 11 or 50, anything. We can solve all that type of question in this way. Understand? Okay, this is all about this lecture. Thank you.